Meaning of beside. Beside is a preposition that means next to or at the side of something or someone. It can also be used in expressions to mean not connected to or apart from. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. She sat beside me on the bench. 2. The lamp is beside the bed. 3. He stood beside his friend during the speech. 4. Place the chair beside the table. 5. The school is right beside the park. 6. I felt safe with my dog beside me. 7. He looked tiny beside the tall building. 8. Beside her, everyone else seemed quiet. 9. That point is beside the main issue. Equals not related. 10. Keep your phone beside you while working.